Welcome to my channel XDiavel. Ducati has unveiled its new lighter and more powerful XDiavel V4 for 2025. The new XDiavel V4 has received significant changes in its appearance. At the heart of the XDiavel V4 2025 is the GranTurismo V4 engine, replacing the old L-twin. This motor makes an impressive 168 horsepower. It is estimated that the motorcycle can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in less than 3.5 seconds. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.